Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Jeep Patriot Limited, stock reference number 4563. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. There's a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand corner lamp, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags, the left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a light scuff on the outside edge. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, does have some light scuffs on the corner of the right hand side. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. The centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.